Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CDHA. First, you have to open Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the URL section, top over here, type CDHA, and after that, enter it. And from the search results, we have to click on this option that says Canadian Dental Hygienist Association, and an interface like this will appear in your screen. And in the top right corner, just over here, we can see the sign in option. Click on that as well, and it will take you to the sign in option. So, what you have to do is you have to enter your membership number and your password as well. And after that, you can click on this option, and then you'll be successfully logged into CDHA. But if you have forgotten your username or forgotten your password, we also have the solution for it. On the bottom right over here, we have two options. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option. But if you have forgotten your username, click on that option in order to recover or reset your username or your password. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.